If Steam is giving you a connection error, that usually means the client can't properly reach the Steam servers to verify your account, sync your data, or complete a normal sign-in. The good news is that this is often caused by a simple network issue, a bad cache, or a local connection block, and in many cases you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to troubleshoot the Steam connection error, and I'll also show you the safest way to test each fix one by one so you know what actually worked. If this guide helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, before changing anything on your PC, check whether Steam itself is having problems. Open your browser and go to steamstat.us. This website monitors Steam's current service status, and it's one of the fastest ways to tell if the issue is on your side or Valve's side. Look specifically at the connection and logon status. If either of those shows as down, unstable, or experiencing problems, then the issue is not your computer. In that case, your best move is to wait it out and try again later, because no local fix will fully solve a server outage. But if the status looks normal, then the issue is likely something on your device or network, so keep going. Next, disable any VPN or proxy you might be using. Steam can reject connections coming from VPN tunnel IP addresses because they often look unusual or suspicious from a security standpoint. If you have a VPN app running, fully disconnect it, not just minimize it. If you use a browser proxy or a system proxy, turn that off as well. After disabling it, close Steam completely from the system tray if it's open, then relaunch it and test the connection again. This step is important because sometimes the VPN itself is the entire reason Steam cannot connect. Now let's try changing the Steam launch protocol. By default, Steam usually uses UDP for certain types of traffic, but switching to TCP can sometimes bypass local network blocks and make the connection more stable. To do this, find your Steam shortcut on the desktop or in your Start menu, then right-click it and choose Properties. In the target box, go to the very end of the line, add one space, and then type -TCP. Make sure it's typed exactly like that, with the dash included. After that, click Apply, then OK, and launch Steam again using that shortcut. If Steam opens normally and the connection error disappears, then the protocol change helped. If it doesn't, don't worry, because we still have a couple more strong fixes to try. The next step is to clear the Steam download cache. Over time, temporary files can become corrupted and interfere with a stable handshake between Steam and its servers. If you can still get into Steam, click Steam in the top left corner, go to Settings, then Downloads, and choose Clear Download Cache. Steam will usually ask you to sign in again after this, which is completely normal. If you cannot open Steam at all, there is another method. Press Windows key plus R to open the run box, type steam:/flushconfig, and press Enter. This resets the Steam configuration cache and can help repair connection-related problems without reinstalling the entire app. Once that's done, restart Steam and test the connection again. If you're still seeing the error, the next fix is to reset the Windows network stack. This clears out bad routing tables, broken socket settings, and damaged DNS information that can stop Steam from connecting properly. To do this, open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Then enter the following commands one at a time, pressing Enter after each one. netsh winsock reset, netsh int IP reset, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, and ipconfig/flush DNS. These commands refresh your network configuration and often solve stubborn internet issues that affect only certain apps like Steam. After running them, restart your computer so the changes can take full effect. Once your PC comes back on, open Steam again and check whether the connection error is gone. In many cases, one of these steps will fix the problem immediately. If you were able to get back into Steam, I recommend testing a store page, your library, and your friends list to make sure the connection is stable across the app. If it still isn't working, the problem may be deeper, such as a firewall rule, antivirus block, or router issue, but these steps will solve a large percentage of Steam connection problems. And that's it. You've now checked Steam server status, disabled VPN or proxy interference, changed the launch protocol to TCP, cleared the download cache, and reset the Windows network stack. That's the best way to troubleshoot a Steam connection error without wasting time. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Steam fixes next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.